Over 200 years of African and European cultures mixing in New Orleans led to the development of a musical style that changed the world: jazz. New Orleans jazz, or traditional jazz as it's often referred to, became the most popular style of dance music in America during the 1920s and beyond. Stylistically, you'll hear the sound of the blues, the feeling of swing, and the creative freedom of improvisation. And much of that can be credited to a musician named Buddy Bolden. While there are no recordings of him, legend has it that Buddy was such a powerful trumpeter, you could hear him blowing his horn from his uptown home clear across the Mississippi River. Let's invite our band back to play Buddy Bolden's Big Four rhythm for us, which will give us an idea of what traditional New Orleans jazz sounds like.